My name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about how Umncube dismantled Zungu's lies. Okay, Constable Zungu's lies were dealt with, oh my God, so greatly by Umncube because he is not mincing his words. He goes straight and says he is a liar. He is a liar. He calls him a liar, a liar, a liar. So Umnisi took Umncube through a photo that was taken around 1531 on the 26th of October 2014. And the question that was asked to Zungu at the time when he was on the witness box was, who is this? And he claimed that it was him. He claimed that picture was him, and Umncube was like, he is a liar. Oh, he is a liar. He was never in any of my pictures. In fact, we don't see him in any of my pictures. And one particular thing that was read by Umnisi, was it read? But okay, Uzungu wati. I think that is me. Someone that showed an elbow. He said, I think that was me. And then Umncube comes in and says, no ways, there is no way. Yabona, when he says, I think, you must definitely know that he is lying, because there is no one who is going to think. You will know it's you. You will know yourself. You will know your clothes. You will know whatever. That, I think it's obvious for all of us that there is no way I can say, I think that is me. No, you can't think it's you, but you can see someone who looks like you. You can say, why does this person look like me? Okay, when you actually see their face. Right now, it's an elbow, and Zungu says, I think it's me. Doesn't he know the clothes that he buys? And Umncube called him out on that and called him a liar. That is one of the significant situations. And then when it comes to the time frame, Uti Ulona, that was a picture now that was taken in the morning. Uzungu, if you guys remember, said he was at work around 11 until 1, and then he arrived what time? Go hostel. I think between 1 and 3, somewhere there. But Umncube, when he keeps showing pictures from about 11 a.m. up until that time, he's like, where is he in these pictures? Because he claimed that he was with us in the hostel. So he's lying. And this is not even Basutu hostel. This is Mazibuko hostel. Oh my God. He dealt with Zungu's lies. And the other issue that he says Zungu lies about is that in all the another issue Umnisi that showed up for is that you and Dancy are people that are photo enthusiasts, and you are always taking pictures. But in all of your pictures, in all both phones, you are not there. And when Ncube goes on to explain this picture situation, he says, yes, I love taking pictures. And guess what? Uzungu is nowhere to be there. And Ncube goes on to say, not just only Uzungu, by the way, Zungu is not there. I choose number 2 is not there. I choose number 1 is not there because I don't know them. I only know them through cards. I choose number 1 and 2. I knew them on the 27th of October 2020. And this one, Uzungu, I only know him in August 2023 when he came inside the courtroom to become a witness. I don't know him. I don't know him. And my God, at that point, I was like, this guy is literally saying that Futsek Zungu with your lies. So the picture situation, I think in any other court, by the way, it will make a significant situation because right now they can't want to use Mncube's pictures, the state, and be selective when it comes to them. When it's good for them, they want to use those pictures that were taken with the same phone and it was with him, and they want to claim he is the one that had that phone. And then when the pictures are taken at a later time now that is favorable to Ncube, they are like, no, they try to divorce him with his phone. It's not going to work like that. Uram Sipile normally says, what's good for the gander must be good for the goose, or what's good for the goose must be good for the gander. Vice versa, too. That thing that he normally says. So they can't want to be selective because right now, Ncube made sure that his phone is with him. all the damn time. The phone is with him. It's his phone. It's Makale Kukwini. And I don't know how Baloyi, Sibanda, Judge Rata Mukwatleng are going to get out of this one. And I don't know how Judge Rata is going to deal with the situation of the evidence, Kazung, because at this point, it needs to be thrown out. The entire evidence of Constable Zungu at this point needs to be thrown out because bit by bit, you keep finding out that it is nonsense. You keep finding Judge Ratamukwatleng because Tina, as people that are normal human beings out here, as civilians, 2023 already, we knew that Zungu was lying. Right now, when Mncube is busy dismantling everything that Zungu said, we are like, yeah, we knew he's a lie. Yeah, but when he comes and says, why is you not in any of my pictures? It makes it worse for us because we already realized the time he was speaking that he is a liar. He is a liar. And Mncube even says, even his own father calls him a liar. Amakosonke, that he was supposedly traveled with to the so-called party, calls him a liar. Gwabini, who is supposedly a guy that was meant to be the party, Mr. Party or whatever, also says he's a liar. So he is definitely a liar, Uzungu, point blank. He's a liar. He lies in that courtroom. He lied so much. Another issue that I took note of was that part when to show that Uzungu is a liar, identification of accused number 2 was also another interesting part that was very explosive. Mncube was confronted with another person's testimony, which is Uzungu, regarding the photograph described as wearing a blue top and a blue hat. And remember that Uzungu said this was accused number 2. All to find out, actually, this is accused number 4, Mapisa. This goes to show he doesn't know these people. He's a liar. He's a liar. And then the other issue, Mncube, that he dealt with was the clothing discrepancy that could become significant because Mncube described the person as wearing a particular item, which is called Umapisa was wearing a what? A Brandwood and whatever top. I forgot the name that he called of the long sleeve of Don top. And then Ulona Wati Umapisa was wearing a Codro. Codro Zungu, Codro 2014. Codro wasn't that clothing for children at that time? I don't know. Anyway, but this one was like ngeke. Unamanga. What if this was showing that this was accused number 2? He would be very, what if the he says he's lying under oath. I heard him saying this, lying under oath, because Zungu doesn't know Mapisa, does not even know Undads like that. Now, when it comes to these pictures, they are exposing Zungu left, right, and center, and he has no choice. He has no choice. He must go hide wherever because these guys, they don't care. They are coming for him with everything that they have. They don't care. They are coming for him with everything that they have. I don't know about you, but I felt like Mncube was like, egadla esithi anginasikhathi because ubhuti manga lona, and I'm not happy with his lies, and I'm going to put him right back at his place. Uzungunizer is dealt with so much. So what were your thoughts when it comes to Mncube dealing with the lies of Zungu that way? Oh, he dismantled everything that came out of Zungu regarding accused number 4 and 2, and also regarding the pictures. The pictures of Mncube. Oh, Sana. At this point, I don't know Zungu. I don't know what's his angle, what he's doing with himself, but I don't know also how Judge Rota is going to handle all of this. But now, he has no choice but to acquit these guys because there is a lot of reasonable doubt that is flying here. There's a lot of reasonable doubt that is flying here. Anyway, let's talk with comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Please tell me, do you think that Judge Rota is going to take to account everything that was said by Mncube? Do you think that Mncube is doing very well when it comes to dismantling the lies of Zungu, the constable? Do you think Umncube has successfully planted the reasonable doubt in Brata's mind at this point? What are your thoughts when it comes to this? I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.